Here we go. Stalker along with the Bad Boy Toy Store exclusive declassified gear set. I'm going to change this. I'm not going to use all the pieces. Here's what it comes with: the backpack, leg accessories, the guns, and the hat, the vest. Not using everything, just the vest, the handgun, and the leg accessories. So here I've already painted him Goblin Green in Vallejo paint. I'll list all the stuff that I used in the description. So now it's just time to paint the belt, some of the details. I didn't realize until after I was done that, well, he's gonna get a vest, so you might not even see the back of the belt, but practice, I guess. Now here I'm gonna dry brush the boots, give it a bit of a shine before they end up getting dirty. Because I like the shine look, I like the highlights. Now I'm just going to add some highlights to the brown leather. Now my favorite part when it comes to these customs, I like using makeup as dirt. Just get them all dirty. Obviously he's been in the Vietnam jungles. Can't be clean. Put some dirt on him. Next up, Mr. Super Clear Matte Finish to keep everything from scraping off. Now here is the body all set, ready to go, put back together. Now I originally had this head on a Stalker body, and you can see the peg for the head was perfect. It popped right on. This one just a little small. So I'm going to use a new technique that I thought of, less messy, but thought I'd give it a go, and that's using Teflon tape or plumber's tape. So here I got, this is a little roll I got for free in a plumbing kit. Now I can't even find the beginning of it. Give me 1 sec, I'll find the beginning of it. It's gotta be here somewhere. I think that's it. Maybe. Alright. Give me a sec. Okay. Found it. Now, as I realize as I'm taking it out that it's really thin. This is a really crappy roll of Teflon tape. That's why it was free in the plumber's kit. So we're not going to use this. It's just not good enough. So just push it aside and get a regular roll of Teflon tape that you can find in any hardware store for about $2 or less. Now this is much thicker, this is better. Let's go ahead and give it a go. I know it's going to take a couple of wraps because obviously that neck peg from Stalker was much bigger. So let's just get started. See how much more we're going to need after the first go around. Not quite. A little too loose. Get some more on there. This is a little tedious, but it's cleaner than the hot glue and gives you more mobility than the hot glue. You'll see at the end. Yeah, that's a nice fit. Look at how well it moves, up, down, side to side. And it won't come off. Well, it won't come off just by shaking it, clearly, but you can pull it off. It's a little loose, little more than I'd like, so I'm just going to add just a wee bit more. Unfortunately, I've come to the end of the roll, but fortunately, it was just enough. Yeah, that's a nice snug fit and still get great mobility. Now you can see a little in the back, but we'll take care of that with some angle tweezers. Push it back up. Get it out of the way. There you go, Lincoln Osiris of Tropic Thunder. Robert Downey Jr.'s character. Just a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude. Thanks for watching this quick kit bash.